Welcome to my in-depth review of Yoga for Beginners, a website designed specifically to cater to individuals who are new to yoga. This video will give you a clear understanding of what the site offers, including its design, user interface, content structure, and tools available to help you on your yoga journey. The first thing that stands out about Yoga for Beginners is its clean and inviting design. From the moment you land on the homepage, the site exudes simplicity, with calming colors and intuitive navigation. It's evident that the creators aim to make yoga approachable and stress-free for new practitioners. Upon navigating the site, you'll find an array of resources tailored to beginner needs. There are sections dedicated to foundational poses, short video tutorials, and even mindfulness exercises. Each piece of content is clearly labeled, making it easy to pick what you need without feeling overwhelmed. The quality of the video tutorials is commendable, with professional instructors providing step-by-step guidance on each pose. The pacing is slow enough for true beginners to follow without difficulty, yet it remains engaging. Another great feature is the Yoga Progress Tracker, which allows users to log their sessions and monitor their improvements over time. This addition demonstrates a focus on accountability and long-term commitment to wellness. However, not everything is perfect. One noticeable drawback is the limited variety in pose difficulty. While this is understandable given the beginner focus, some users may outgrow the content sooner than expected. Additionally, the mobile experience could use improvement. Navigating the site on a smaller screen occasionally feels clunky, especially when accessing video tutorials. Beyond that, Yoga for Beginners also provides wellness tips, including advice on mindfulness, stress reduction, and proper breathing techniques. These are excellent complementary tools for building a holistic approach to yoga. Overall, the site serves as a solid starting point for anyone eager to learn yoga from scratch, despite minor usability flaws. If you're considering Yoga for Beginners, this video will help you decide if it's the right fit for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and give this video a like if you found it helpful.